again.
Once upon a time, there was a little man and a little girl.
No, little woman. Hey, teacher, look it.
And then the little lady girl was making a gingerbread. What, chicken? No.
Ew. A gingerbread.
I know how to read it.
A gingerbread.
Yeah, gingerbread
Let's
man.
him read it.
And then we was making a head, and a hand, and the other hand, and your feet, your body. And then we put a chocolate for the eyes, and for the nose, and for a mouth, and for the dot. And then become a gingerbread man. And
See, go out.
And then it was trying to get him yummy and delicious. Come back here. No. On the gingerbread man, you can't catch me. On the gingerbread man. And then you're looking here, Jacoby. Are you looking? Then come back here. I want to eat you.
I just want to see it.
So be quiet. Download our lorry.
I just want to read it.
And come back here. I want to eat you. No, you can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Stop. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And then the cat and the dog. Woof, woof. Meow. And the cat is trying to talk. Up on the mic. You can't catch me on the gingerbread man. You can't. And all the man, the little, and the lady girl, and the boy, and the girl, and the dog. You can't catch me. I can run fast. And you try to run on a river. Hop on my back. You can catch me. I'll eat you.
No.
Hop on my nose. I'm not going to eat you, I promise. Yeah, I ate you. The end.
Yay!
Let me see it.
Let me see it. I want to try another video.
No, I want to see it.
I have to stop it. Hold on.